Today we're gonna play a game called Doorbell. It's gonna be called, you ring that person's doorbell and I'm really gonna hide in a bush or something and see if they notice me. So let's get started with the house next door. Okay guys, let's head next door to start the prank.
Okay, so here we are. This is really scary. I'm gonna have to hide the camera. I'm gonna just hide behind the door.
Did you see that weirdo? What were they even doing? They just peeked their head out. Did they have a problem or? Okay, let's try a different house.
It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. No, they're awake. Let's try.
Okay, apparently nobody was in that house. Apparently I'm not gonna try this because I'm afraid that somebody is gonna come out because like somebody is gonna come out and get upset or see me. I got so lucky on that house in front of me, like the first house. Second one, I'm lucky that nobody came out, but these people are creepy, so like please subscribe, and I promise you I'll have an awesome prank coming up. It's just I can't think of one, so please subscribe. Hey guys, you know where that weird person just walked out? I'm gonna try that house out again because I thought I heard more people. Let's see if we can do it, and maybe they'll get angry. Hopefully nothing goes wrong, but I'm doing this for you guys.
Here goes nothing.
As usual, nobody's here. Must be those punk kids again. It is you!
No!
What are you doing? Get off!